All right, welcome back to the shop. So this is just a real quick video on this 1985 K-5 Blazer. A friend of mine brought it over. He bought 3 of these, and I'm cleaning this one up so he can give to his daughter. I just kind of went through, serviced it out, new glow plugs, turn lines on all the fuel injectors, air cleaner, oils, everything is, whatever it needed, we did to it, just to get it so it'll be dependable, so it'll run good for her. These old square bodies are getting to be pretty popular again. I know they went through a period of time where you probably only saw them, in a mud pit somewhere down in the south, but they're pretty cool. If you want to go off-roading, you want to go camping in this thing, these things will climb like crazy. They turn on a dime. So if you're into trail driving, these things are actually a really good solution for that. And I don't think the price is too bad on these yet. I think they're still selling for pretty reasonable. Like I said, he bought 3 of them, and I think he's going to be selling one of them, but he's keeping one for himself and giving one to his daughter. They're pretty cool. So it's got the 6.2 liter diesel. It's not turbocharged, but these things, even without the turbo, they still got up and moved pretty good. I remember back in the day, Dale Banks was selling a turbo kit for these. I don't know if they still do or not, but it really doesn't need it. You can see it's 4-wheel drive. It's got a regular transfer case, a new process transfer case, so you can drive 2-wheel drive, 4 high, 4 low. Pretty cool little truck, actually. So here you can see the 6.2 diesel. I put new glow plugs on it, or in it. I put these fuel return lines that they put on the fuel injectors. We replaced all those because they were getting rotted out. I still need to put fan belts on it, but the fan belts, we adjusted those. Put a new air cleaner in it. Checked out the brakes. I put a new relay for the glow plugs. You can see it's 24 volt. It's got 2 12-volt batteries. Some of the stuff is 12 volt, some of it's 24. You can tell the 24 is obviously, by the 2 batteries, but also they put this bus bar system in here. So you have 24 volt and 12 volt that you can take off of those. And we also put a fuel filter in it, change some of the fluids on it that need to be changed, engine oil, transfer case, stuff like that. Anyways, just a real quick video, and thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day. And please like the video. If you have a chance, just click that little like button. It helps me a ton. And then also, if you haven't subscribed already, please do. I've got videos on a lot of different things, military equipment, heavy equipment, whatever I can, whatever I get out there to film. So anyways, have a good day.